Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to find deleted history on Google Chrome. So first, we're on Chrome. I'm just going to show you that our history is cleared. So what you're gonna do here is on the top right corner of your screen, click on your icon. Now here, find for manage your Google account. Once we're here, on the left sidebar, click on data and privacy. Scroll down until you see web and app activity. So make sure it is on, click it. And then here, scroll down until you see the manage all web and app activity button. Click on it. And then here, you will see your search history. All the pages you visited, all the links, all of the Google search, and all of that. So basically that's it. That's how you find deleted history on Google Chrome.